In this video, we will show you how to request read receipt in Outlook emails. When you want to sending emails, okay, and you want to know the recipient has already read the email or not, you can try to request the read receipt before you sending the emails in Outlook. How to do that? First, in here, you need to open the Outlook emails. Let's compose new message here. For example, I will send into this email address, okay, and add subject test check, for example, test, and before you click send button in here, make sure you enable on the options request read receipt, okay. But for the notes, it's up to of the recipient that allow or approve the read receipt here or not, okay. So when you click send, your message has been sending successfully and you can tracking the read receipt in the here, okay. You can try to track read receipt here. The status is unknown. If the recipient, in this case this email address, is sending the notification or approve the read receipt features the next time, and the status will be changed here. So you can using this feature, but it's up to the recipient if allow or not to track the message that you've sent. And that's all tutorial how to request read receipt in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments below, and thanks for watching.